Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message for travel, tourism, IndiaMART leads and inquiries. So let's suppose I'm running travel tourism company and I'm receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMART. Now I want to send automated WhatsApp message to all these inquiries and I'm going to use Pabbly Connect to automate this entire process. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new inquiry, and then in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei with the help of which I am going to send this automated WhatsApp message. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message for travel and tourism inquiries in IndiaMART. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in and here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send automated WhatsApp message for travel, tourism and hotels IndiaMART leads inquiries. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created and I want to select this IndiaMART and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message for travel tourism that I have received in IndiaMART, which means whenever I will receive a new inquiry in IndiaMART, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that inquiry, which means whenever I will receive a new inquiry, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive a new inquiry in IndiaMART, action says do this. So I want to send automated WhatsApp message to that inquiry. So here in my trigger application, I'm going to take IndiaMART where I will receive the lead and the inquiry. And then in my trigger event, I am going to take new leads. Now I have to build connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help test given below over here, I will make this connection and to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side, I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this lead manager and then I can see the three dots. I have to click this and then I have to click on this import export leads and then click on this push API. So here I can see this push API integration where I need to select the source and in this drop down I can see all the sources and then I have to enter the CRM platform name and then the webhook listener URL. So my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So from over here I will copy this webhook URL and paste that over here. Now after entering these two details, I have to click on this save details, and then I have to select the option that why I want to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART. So in this drop down I can see all the reasons. Here I want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. Now I have to click on this click to generate OTP. So here I have successfully added my webhook URL, and now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here I can see waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response or check the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL, we need to do a test submission, for which I am going to open my profile that I have created and send some test inquiry from that profile to my business. If the connection between these two is successful, I will receive the response in my Pabbly Connect. So let me open my profile. So here I have opened my profile. My name is this. My email address is latest@pabblytudes.com. My company name is Latest Company, and I am going to send inquiry from this profile. So here I am going to search for my business, which is over here. After searching for my business, I simply have to click on this contact supplier, and then I have to add my query. So here I have added my inquiry. Hello, I need a cultural tour package for Rajasthan focusing on historical sites, traveling with a group of 5 adults. Details needed is desired cities to visit, duration of stay and specific interest. Waiting for your reply. Thanks. Now that I have added my inquiry, I am going to click on this submit, and I am going to write the company name. So my company name is Latest Company, and now I am going to click on this submit. So I have successfully sent my inquiry to my business, and now I need to go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether it has captured this response and the inquiry there or not. So here I have received the response successfully. The status is success. Here I have received the response. Subject requirement for Pabbly Connect free demo available. I have received the state, which is Madhya Pradesh. I have received the sender name. Then I have received the sender email, which is latest@pabblytudes.com. The company name was Latest Company. I have received the other details like the address and the city. Then over here I have also received the query message, which was, hello, I need a cultural tour package for Rajasthan focusing on historical sites, traveling with a group of 5 adults, desired cities to visit, duration of stay, specific interest, waiting for your reply, thanks. So here I have received the exact same query that I have added in my IndiaMART and sent the query to the business. So this means the connection that we have created between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART with the help of this webhook URL is successful, and I am receiving response on my Pabbly Connect. Now whenever someone will submit the form, all the details will be start receiving in my Pabbly Connect. So now that the connection is successful, I have to move to my next step, which is action step. So whenever I receive a new lead or the inquiry in my IndiaMART, I want to send automated WhatsApp message. So here in my action application, I am going to take WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and then in my action event, I want to send template message. So I will select that, and then I will click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then to make this connection, I have to enter the API key. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. This is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side, I can see all the options. Here I have to click on this manage, and then over here I can see this API key on the left hand side itself. I will click on this, and from over here I need to copy the API key and paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name. And to enter this, let me take you to AI Sensei account. So on the left hand side, I have to click on this manage, and then I have to click on this all. And as soon as I click here, I can see all the templates that I have created. Here for this workflow, I have created a template travel and tourism 1. So here you can see the message, dear demo, thank you for your interest in a tour package. We are delighted to assist you in planning your journey. I have added the inclusions, and then we will get back to you shortly. If you need any assistance or other details, do not hesitate to reach us at this number. Looking forward to your response. Thanks. Best regards. So over here I have added a custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead or the inquiry, and this will keep changing with the new lead's name. So over here whenever I will receive a new lead, this custom variable will be replaced with the name of the lead. And if you want to create a new template, you have to simply click on this new on the top right corner. You have to select the template category and then you have to give the template name. You have to select the template type if you want. This is not a required field. Then over here you need to enter the text and then select the language, and then you have to simply click on this submit. So this is the template, and now we have to enter the name of the campaign. So on the left hand side itself I can see this campaigns option. Here I have to create a campaign, and for that I have to click on this launch and then I have to click on this API campaign. So over here I need to select my campaign. So the name of my campaign was Travel and Tourism 1. And then I have to name the campaign. So I want to name the campaign same as that of my template. So here I have entered the campaign name as Travel and Tourism 1, and over here you can see this is the same template. And then I simply clicked on that set live, and here you can see my campaign is live. Now I simply have to copy the name of the campaign and paste that in my Pabbly Connect field. Now I have to enter the mobile number, and to enter this I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received my response in my IndiaMART, and as soon as I click on this IndiaMART I can see all the responses that I have received from there. So I am going to enter my mobile number as. So after entering the mobile number I have to enter the username. So I will follow the same process and enter my username as this one. And then I'm going to leave the source and the tags blank because these are not required fields, and then I have to enter the template parameter. It's written enter the parameter values to be filled in the template message here. The parameter value should be comma separated, example this. So as in my message template, I just have one custom variable. So I just want to enter the template parameter as the name. But if I had more custom variables, I should have put comma and then I have entered the other template parameters. Now attributes, file name and URL are not required field. So I'm going to skip this, and over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I have to simply click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response. The status is true. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here I can see I have successfully received the message, and here you can see this custom variable has been replaced with the name of the lead. Thank you for your interest in our tour package. We are delighted to assist you in planning your journey, and this is the same template that we have created in AI Sensei. And we have successfully received the message in my WhatsApp number. So this shows that the connection that we have created between IndiaMART and AI Sensei is successful. And now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a query from my profile and received the response in my Pabbly Connect, after which we took WhatsApp by AI Sensei as our action application, where we entered the campaign name, we entered the username and the template parameter, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the same message in my WhatsApp number. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.